What's happening, family? So right now, what you're looking at right now is the Crypto Grow Your Portfolio Challenge. And you're going to do this right here with the CryptoKingLos himself. So right now, I'm going to start with a little bit of few $100 here. We're going to use two accounts, the Uphold account, and we're going to use the Coinbase account. So I have a few projects here on Uphold, and I have a few projects on Coinbase that we're going to use to grow our accounts. Over the course of this video, you'll see and learn which accounts or which cryptos projects that we're going to grow together on here, just using the dollar cost average strategy in order to be able to do this. Because I want to walk you through this as easy as possible so you can understand, and on top of that, get you some valuable assets to put inside of your portfolio at the same time. So family, I just ask you to follow along. It's a small amount of your time and investment. Every day you'll get an update, and you're going to get the chance to watch my portfolio from Uphold and Coinbase, starting from with $300. Okay, so I have what you see here, and then you'll see here in a moment what I have on Coinbase, and you'll see it's $300. So you can start with wherever you want, whatever your comfortable level is, but we're going to use, like I said, the dollar cost average strategy. So on the day, you can see my Uphold account, which this is that account. You can see it down on today by 5% at the time of this recording, and down $15. So 5%, $15 is the equivalency there, and it has been in a 24-hour period as high as $284 and as low as $249, and now currently sits at $277. Let's take a look at the Coinbase account. And here's my Coinbase account, just like I told you. So you see it's about $26.64. So right around $300 that I want to start this Grow Your Crypto Portfolio Challenge with. So the cryptos that we'll be doing our Grow Your Crypto Portfolio Challenge with, now that we started here on the Coinbase account. And just so you know, before I go any further, you can get the Coinbase link and the Uphold link if you so choose to follow along and do this challenge with me. You can get those links down in the description of this video, or you can just hit me up on Learn Crypto TV on YouTube, and you can get the links there as well. But anyhow, or go to my Stand Store. I forgot to mention that for Stand Store, so you can access the links there as well. So there's 3 different places where you can get the links, and you can follow along on this Grow Your Crypto Portfolio Challenge. So the first 2 cryptos that I want to talk to you about today on your Grow Your Crypto Portfolio Challenge that you'll be doing with the CryptoKingLos himself is LCX and Ando Finance. So what we're going to do, like I said, is deploy a dollar cost average strategy in order to be able to grow our crypto portfolio. So what I'm going to commit on a small scale, because I'm a small shrimp, I'm not a big shrimp in the a big fish in the pond just yet, but we're going to do something that we can handle. So what we're going to do is every 2 weeks, we're going to deploy $50 to these accounts across both Uphold and Coinbase, whether that's $50 all on Coinbase for 1 week, and then and this is bi-weekly for me. So $100 I'm committing to a month to be able to dollar cost average. So this is my commitment that you get to see on a day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month basis on how we're gonna be able to grow this crypto portfolio and see these massive gains everybody else is doing. So basically what I'll do is put $50 all on Coinbase one set, and then the next set put it on Uphold, or 25 and 25, or however I so choose to, depending on the performance of the crypto projects that will be featured for this. And we're gonna talk about 4 of them in particular, but I'll be showing y'all a couple of more along the way as we grow our crypto portfolio. But anyway, the first 2 you see that here on the screen, LCX and Ando Finance. What are these cryptos? So about LCX. LCX is an Ethereum token used to pay for fees on the LCX exchange. It's a centralized exchange for security tokens, token sales, and cryptocurrencies. LCX is also used to power the other LCX products, such as the LCX terminal, which lets users trade across multiple exchanges, and DeFi terminal, which offers advanced charting and limit orders built on top of Uniswap. So the thing I like about this particular project is that it's a part of the Liberty World Finance portfolio, that stuff that the current administration have in place, and it's American crypto that you want to have in your portfolio. And by the way, go back to my Stand Store and go check that out. and get that document, all cryptos Americans should hold. All cryptos Americans should hold. This is one of them, LCX. And this has a chance to do some numbers in this upcoming bull run, and you don't want to be left behind. So this is one of the ones that we're going to grow our crypto portfolio with. The next one up is Ondo Finance. Ondo Finance was created to bring institutional grade financial products on chain, including tokens backed by the US Treasuries, and Flux Finance is the decentralized lending platform that supports Ondo Finance's tokenized USA Treasuries. Ondo is used to govern the Ondo DAO, or Decentralized Autonomous Organization, and the Flux Finance protocol. This is also one of those World Liberty Finance portfolio cryptos that the current administration in America have as a part of the American cryptos that's going to see some significant gains. This is also another one that you want to have in your portfolio, and that's why we are going to grow our crypto portfolio with Ondo Finance. Next up, we have Oxycoin, or XCN. Now, Oxy protocol is an infrastructure or a multi-asset shared by cryptographically secured ledger. Now, Onyx refers to the blockchain-based technology protocol that aims to develop and run a smarter and internally connected economy with a mission to create cryptographic ledgers capable of improving existing financial products and services. So family, this is also another one of those cryptos that's a part of the World Liberty Finance portfolio again, and an American made back crypto that you want to have in your portfolio. Not only that, it's decentralized, and on top of that, I think that out of the ones that I've already spoken about thus far, this is one of those ones that's going to be a quiet sleeper, and you want to have that in your portfolio. Thus why we're going to build our crypto portfolio, or grow our crypto portfolio, with Oxycoin. Now, the fourth one that we're going to visit every day and we're going to do updates on is called Casper. And Casper is a decentralized, open source, scalable Layer 1 solution. And this project was founded by Yotan Samplinsky. And Samplinsky is also one of the founders of GhostDAG, a protocol which serves as Casper's underlying infrastructure. Now, in their own words, it's supposedly the fastest and most scalable instant confirmation transaction layer that was ever built on a proof of work engine. So basically, they're competing against Bitcoin, and they have a solid chance to dethrone them. So thus, this is one of those plays that I think that we should take a risk on and see what it does in the future. At minimum, you'll be able to 5x this from the point to where it is right now. So I suggest you try to get this here, and you're going to grow this one in your crypto portfolio as well. So let's just see what we're going to do with this over the course of time and check out some charts. All right, family, so here's the daily chart for Casper, the project that we just spoke about. So it had a daily high of $111 and a daily low of 97, and the currency now rests at $106. And you see the average price I have for my Casper is 12 cents, and we're looking to grow this here even more during this challenge. Here's the Oxycoin, or XCN. Start off with $31 worth of these, or 2,231 of these tokens at an average cost of 2 cents. And we had a daily high of $34 and a daily low of $30 across the board, and now it rests at $31.65. And this is another one of the ones that we're going to look at. Both Oxycoin and Casper is in my Uphold account, and then now the next two we'll be looking at, which is in the Coinbase account. Now we flipping over the Coinbase real quick. Now you see the LCX holdings. We start off here with $15 or 69 tokens. Today we just under 1% return. Unrealized return amount in percentage 1.27. Average cost 21 cents. We definitely gonna get this LCX bag up. And now family, Ondo Finance. This is the last of the four that we definitely going to be talking about on a day-to-day, week-to-week basis. And we definitely, as you can see, got to get this bag up. But we're going to start modestly here, right here, with 9 coins of Ondo, as their average cost of just about $1.98 per coin. So family, are you up for the challenge? Are you ready for this? To grow your crypto bag?